The next domain is instance configuration, which covers three main topics. The first subdomain, installing applications and plugins, is about activating components that provide specific features and functionalities within a ServiceNow instance. Questions on this topic could be about where you can install, repair, or update a plugin or application, where to find details about a plugin, or how to request a plugin. Personalizing or customizing the instance refers to the platform changes to suit a user's or business specific needs and requirements. This can be as simple as personalizing a list view that can be performed by end users, or more progressive changes such as creating custom tables and fields, custom applications, or modifying existing out-of-the-box features and functionality. Personalization, configuration, and customization are three frequently used terms when reviewing business requirements, and it's essential to understand the differences and pros and cons for each business scenario and their solution options. A rule of thumb is to keep these changes aligned with the standards and best practices. The last subdomain, common user interfaces in the platform, refers to the commonly used UIs and portals on the platform, such as the Core UI, Next Experience UI, Workspace, and Service Portal. There could be questions about the common UI elements, such as the user presence. There could be questions about the main components of the Core UI and the Workspace UI, or just how you configure your instance branding or Workspace theming.